Hi guys, today I am teaching you on the topic of Indian Penal Code 1860. So, it is consists the 23 chapters. The short note is available here. So, learn about the Indian Penal Code. So, the chapter first tell about the introduction, which is come under the section 1 to section 5. So, the Indian Penal Code 1860 is applicable whole of India except the Jammu and Kashmir. So, the next chapter is general explanations. So, which is come under section 9 to 52 subclause A. So, this chapter consists the definitions of various topics which is come under the section which is come under the Indian Penal Code. The third one is punishment. Chapter 3 tells about the punishment which is come under section 53 to 75. There are various types of punishment. This like a simple, rigorous, means retributive, punitive. There are various types of punishments which is come under chapter 3. The fourth one is chapter 4 consists general exceptions. There are also divided into two parts, which is section 76 to 95, and the next one is the right of private defenses, which is come under section 96 to 106. So, any crime or any act done for the defense or for the self-defense, these are come under this chapter. The next one is chapter 5. Chapter 5 tells about the abatement. Section 107 to 120. Suppose A is a police officer and want to arrest B, but he arrests C knowing that C is not a B. This is known as an abatement. He knows that C is not a B, but then also he arrests C. So, the next chapter is chapter 5 subclause A, which is regarding the criminal conspiracy. It is come under section 120 subclause A to 120 subclause B. Two or more person want to or make an illegal act, so they have a motive, preparation, all these things which is come under the crime, but done by two or more person. This is come under the criminal conspiracy. Then chapter 6 offenses against the state. Which offenses are done against the state? Like as terrorist attacks, so many acts which is against the state. So this is come under section 121 to 130. The chapter 7 offenses relating to the Army, Navy and Air Force. The Army, Navy and Air Force having a separate judiciary court. These act done against them or done by them, these all clauses come under the section 131 to 140. The next chapter is chapter 8 offenses against the public tranquility, which is come under section 141 to 160. Which offense disturbs the public peace? These all are come under this chapter. The chapter 9 one is offenses by or relating to the public servant. These are come under section 161 to 171. Then chapter 9 subclause A offenses relating to election, which is come under section 171 subclause A to 171 subclause I. Which offense done in time of elections, like as corruption or so many cases has been there. So these are come under this chapter. The chapter 10 contempts of the lawful authority of public servant. Any lawful authority that of public servants, these are contempts by the person. All these are come under this chapter. The chapter 11 false evidence and offenses against the public justice. Any person or given a false evidence All these clauses come under section 191 to section 229 subclause A. Then chapter 12, offences relating to coins and government stamps. So any offense done relating to coins means a forfeiture of coins or using a government stamp, these are etc. offences come under section 230 to 263 subclause A. Then chapter 13, offence relating to weights and measures, these are come under section 264 to 267. Then chapter 14, offences affecting the public health, safety, convenience, decency and morality. Which offence disturbs the public peace regarding the morality, decency, all these come under the section 268 to 294 subclause A. Then chapter 15, offences relating to religion. In India there are so many of religions and all the peoples are living together, so there is so many chances to done offences relating to religion. The next one is chapter 16, offences affecting the human body. There are divided into another 8 parts. Please come with me. So the next one is offences affecting the life, which is come under section 299 to 311, like as culpable homicide or murder. Culpable homicide means what? Suppose A wants to kill a bird, but throughout there one a person coming to opposite side, that when he shoot the gun and the bird was escaped from that and that the gun shoot the bee, it is not intentionally but he done a offense, so this is called as culpable homicide. And murder means with the intention. In a culpable homicide there is a without intention kill a person, or in a murder with the intention kill a person. These are difference between them. The next one is causing of miscarriage, injuries to unborn children, exposure of infants and cancellation of births. So the offences regarding unborn babies, these are come under this section 32, 312 to 318. Then the next one is hurt. Hurt means a bodily pain given by the person knowingly. So it is come under section 319 through 338. So there are various types of hurts, like as grievous means knowing that it hurts more to the other person. So this is come under this section. So the next one is wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement. Wrongful restraint means wrongfully to confine wrongful restraint means a person with intention or with a wrongful intention to stop a person to doing something. It is called as wrongful restraint. And wrongful confinement means a person knowingly to confine or to lock any person. So this is come under section 339 to 348. The next one is criminal force and assault. So criminal force means a force using by a person with intention to harm the other person. So it is called as criminal force, or which is a use of very forcefully, very effective force. Then assault, make any gesture that is I will harm to you. These types of things are come under the section 349 to 358. The next one is kidnapping. Kidnapping, there is consist 2 types: without the consent or with the consent. Without the consent, people kidnap a baby, or then with consent. But with consent, that baby is or a person is unborn, with a unsound mind, or he is not able to prepare, so he is not a mature, in without the consent is come under the next one is that this condition is applicable 16 year for boys and 18 year for girls. So with given a any sorry with given a any force or without force, this is come under the section 359 to 374. The next one is abduction. Abduction, it means to abduct anyone or to create a threat in the minds of a other person. So, and he will be abduct him. So it is a come under this section. Then slavery and forced labor, to use that person for a slave or for a laboring purpose. So these are come under this section. The next one is sexual offences. It is come under section 375 to 376 subclause E. There is against the will of woman or without her consent do these types of offence are come under section 375 to 376 subclause E. After the case of Nirvaya, there are so many new amendment shall be included in this definition. So the next one is unnatural offences, which is come under section 377. Unnatural means which is nature not permit these types of offences committed by a person, which is punishable under this clause. The next one is chapter 17, offences against the property. There are also division into 10 parts. The first one is theft. It is come under section 378 to 382. That is dishonestly of movable property. Theft means what? A person without knowing the consent of or without giving the consent of the other party dishonestly given his movable property. This is called as theft. This is come under section 378 to 382. The next one is extortion. Extortion means to create a fear in the minds of other and possess of property. This is come under section 383 to 389. The next one is robbery and dacoity. It is come under section 390 to 402. The difference is that robbery means suppose a person going to bank for stealing the property of bank. At that time he give a gun and catch a baby, and he says that if you don't give me the money I will shoot him. So he give the money. So this is a robbery. The next example is this type of same offenses done by 5 or more person. It is called as dacoity. The only one difference is that robbery commits only one person and dacoity commits same the offense, but 5 or more person should be included in this. So this is come under section 392 402. The next one is criminal misappropriation of property. It is come under section 403 to 404. The property given in a good faith and sold out. Suppose a person given suppose A and B, there are two persons. A is given B's property for using purpose, but without the consent of B, A should be sell his property to C. So this is an example of criminal misappropriation of property. Then criminal breach of trust. There is also breach the trust of the party. It is come under the section 405 to 499. Then the receiving of stolen property. How to receive and what is the clauses. So these are all the things are mentioned in the section 410 to 414. The next one is cheating. It is come under section 415 to 420. Suppose A and B both are person. A says B dishonestly that he is a civil service and he is making a road, this road. So suppose then at that time B is faithfully be faith say and says you are the creator, or B gives a credit to A. So A makes an a cheating or makes an offense of cheating. The next one is fraudulent deeds and disposition of property. These are come under section 421 to 424. Then mischief, the loss suffered by the party. These sections are come under the section 425 to 440. The next one is criminal trespass. Criminal trespass means without the consent of party to make the trespass or going through his place. This is called as criminal trespass in a bad motive. The next one is chapter 18, offenses relating to documents and to property marks. This is also divided into three parts. Let's see. First one, section 463 to section 477A. The next one is property and other marks, which is come under section 478 to 489. Like as offenses relating to the trademark, copyright, all these come under this section. The next one is currency notes and bank notes. So, suppose in a duplicate currency or in a bank notes, there are so many offenses are committed. These are come under the section 489 subclause A to 489 subclause E. The next one is criminal chapter 19, criminal breach of contracts of service. So criminal breach of contract, these are all the sections are come under the section 490 to 492. The next one is chapter 20, offenses relating to marriage, like as dowry, death. So many offenses is committed nowadays. So these are come under the section 493 to 498. The next one, chapter 21, which is defamation, which is come under section 499 to 502. What is meant by defamation? Suppose A gives B the information regarding C. C is a characterless person, but C is not. This is a defamation against the C, which is committed by A. So these types of offenses, defamation means manhani. So the next one is chapter 22, which is regarding the criminal intimidation, insult and annoyance. To create a fear in a mind of people, which is insulting that person and make an annoyance against him. So these are section come under section 503 to 510. The next one is chapter 23, that is attempts to commit offenses. These are regarding the defamation. All these are come under section 511. So this is the whole IPC we are learning in a shortest way. The whole IPC I will give on you in a short note. So please like and subscribe me. Thank you.